Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to transform a photo into a cartoon using Canva. Let's start by selecting a photo you'd like to transform. Add it to your Canva page. Now head over to the bottom left corner and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Cartoon and locate the app named Cartoonify. Click on it and then choose Open. Next, click on Cartoonify and replace. Wait a moment for the app to work its magic, and your photo will be transformed into a cartoon. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your own cartoonized photos with Canva.